In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple checklists in Trello. If you're looking to improve how you manage projects or organize tasks in Trello, adding multiple checklists to your cards can be a game changer. Whether you're planning a large project, assigning tasks to your team, or simply breaking down your to-do list, checklists help you keep everything clear and structured. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, manage, and customize multiple checklists for your Trello cards to stay on top of your work. Let's dive in. To begin, open Trello in your browser and sign in to your account. If you're new to Trello or haven't signed in for a while, simply head to www.trello.com, enter your email and password, and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the board that contains the work you'd like to organize. On your Trello homepage, you'll see a list of all your boards, so just click on the one you need. Now, identify the specific card where you want to add your checklists and click on it. This will open the card's detailed view where you can see all the options and features available for that card. Pay attention to the right-hand menu within the detailed view. This is where we'll be working. Look for the checklist option in that menu. It's usually labeled simply as checklist. When you find it, click on it to start creating your first checklist. At this point, you'll be prompted to give your checklist a name. Choose a name that makes sense for the tasks you'll be adding. For example, you could name it Tasks to Do or something like Phase 1, depending on how you're organizing your work. Once you've named the checklist, it's time to add your items. You can do this in two ways. Either type your items one by one and press Enter after each one to add them individually, or if you already have a list prepared elsewhere, you can paste it directly. Trello will automatically create a separate checklist item for each line in your pasted list. If you need additional checklists for that same card, no problem. Simply click the checklist option again to create another one. Each time you do this, you'll be asked to name your new checklist. Think about how to best organize your tasks. Names like Phase 2, QA tasks, or follow-ups can help clarify what each checklist is for. Once your checklists are set up, you can enhance them further by assigning individual items to specific team members. This is a great way to add accountability and ensure everyone knows who is responsible for what. To do this, hover over a checklist item and assign it to the appropriate person using the available options. You can also add due dates, files, or links to individual checklist items to provide additional context or scheduling. For example, if a task has a specific deadline, you can set that date directly on the item so it's clear when it's due. Similarly, attaching relevant documents or links can keep everything your team needs in one place. Now, let's talk about reusing checklists. If you find yourself creating similar checklists across multiple cards, Trello makes it easy to save time. Hover over any existing checklist, click the three dots for more options, and select Copy Items From. This allows you to duplicate an existing checklist into your current card, which is especially handy for recurring processes or standard workflows. As you and your team complete tasks, don't forget to check off items in your checklists. Simply click the checkbox next to each item to mark it as done. Trello will automatically update the progress bar displayed on the card, giving you a quick visual indicator of how much progress has been made. And that's it. You now know how to add multiple checklists in Trello, customize them, and use them to organize your work effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.